economy can basically revolve around a proper referral hospital.
Yes.
Even including CSR, zile CSR, ile chomba ko span with a smaller hospitals like health centers and clinics.
Yes.
You know, to referrals.
Yeah.
Now I wanted to create that network, but now it couldn't have been financed from the inside the country.
Yes.
So me and people and Avera, if I do such a network of one main hospital plus now facilitation of other major hospitals. Ndio mwera mbere de manto jo jeta diaspora gatere
owe ikawira mwangaza maona jo ja kule okugeria gushare jo nangaba no mwero mutuma nto irinja wana kethera kenda manto diaspora
mutuma set in the office. Even I don't think he has sat in the office. It's still too early. Na meri inga no gwana na ndinye goro me ama thina ja mero yo yatakinya methene kwe bijende ankuigwa kamemene na arazemene na akorbanjo linjeke yomira njuri inge mathina ja jo me ta mukinyira methene amo me njuri icho ire akaire tamo atia na ndiko ukamutuma setru. And it's very unfortunate in a very short time.
Yes.
I don't know nonge either not very understanding. Na kunindi a lot of effort to make any viable difference.
Awa wetera mutuma raingogire ka waterite na waterite andega makari na wewe ngwa kiutigite ya kawira no maka waterite na tokuwa tukiaragia nuje tuga nyandiro thoma kwa ina deeper meaning na upper meaning. Deeper meaning is the governor of Meru. Substantive governor of Meru. Known to our constitution is that after the other governor has been impeached or resigns or incapacitated, it means that the deputy takes over for the remaining period of time. So he has taken over, but for the remaining period. The remaining period is the 2 years. Wajake over ngibakuwa interim. I don't think he's interim.
Yes.
But politically is interim. So when a meaning is politically in the political space, Otumata could define his political space. Ila hii inaendea batiko define kedha na kuendelea dai na wita na it's okay munya menya ba tega madhabu na jaja politics ule batuire ndipo muona anywhere kulinga makeni na kulinga siasa proper but they may be surprised also mutakoma kumutana makurunga menya mutana no lele atina nafasi omba kurunga maka aka abagondora mono nyawe so it's still yet to start judging who Mutuma is.
Yes.
But interim we were in the political then governorship seat governor ingno governor substantive kabisa na into beyond inyo munyaka muchinda okene akawanto ndairinge ni intarimu ateta mutunya na kundi lazima munenkeria interview rongo na ambina constitution ya Meru na amonenkeria ya governor so no governor Meru interim on the political space.
Wega au interim on the political space nige wo tuchanganya kidogo twachokera after break watu eleza kwa ndene
au aroga metu nzemenya akabachamura mono akimweta interim woga yetera mbere kudikiria kiacho FM 7.6 akagiacho